Mr. Murthy, have you tried ChatGPT and what are your thoughts about
Oh
it?
yeah, I have used it, of course, of course. My son introduced it to me a few months ago, and it's very good. What it's going to do is it provides you a certain knowledge, and then you can show your creativity, your smartness, your innovation by operating in the next orbit.
Fear losing jobs because of ChatGPT.
No, it will never happen. We know in 1977, 78, there was a thing called program generators. Everybody said the youngsters will lose all the jobs. It didn't happen. You know why? Because of a very important reason, and that is the human mind is the most flexible instrument. It can adapt very well. And all that happened was people started solving bigger and bigger problems, which these program generators could not handle. So ChatGPT is a good one. We should welcome it. However, we use ChatGPT as the base and then show our creativity, show our smartness, and show our innovation.